darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. I know how you hate the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to leave. Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. There's nowhere to go. Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes that you still have more to go.
Like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I know it isn't. Oh, my, we're out of our minds.
Right into our hearts.
Music.
It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
It's like steps are melting away. What is it? Have I got feet of clay or something? It's not under the pool. It's just over the lawn and in the village grove. It'll be lovely now.
Tracy, you're tremendous.
Put me in your pocket.
Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for your soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. Cause the thing you're searching for has been waiting back home. I stay waiting for you. I stay waiting for you. I stay waiting for you.
I wonder what you are thinking of now. Now that your house sleeps in silent renown. Once again, bite your fingernails down. You're biting on the hands that shape this sound. First to go out, first little heart. First to come home, first little home. Shadow play craving tonight. I am just my sight that feeds on a light. A light that comes from little stars. 7 young sisters reconcile. You're the first to go out, first little heart. And the first to come home, first little one. My wonder child, you are lying in cloison. Come home, please come home.
Our love, if it was ever love at all, bonded to sad separate souls, standing only so as not to fall, landlocked by conflicting goals. Thank you, honey, believe in me. Thank you, honey, for closing the door. Oh, 'cause you set me free so heartlessly, and I'm happier than ever before.
Well, I found more joy in one day now than in the year I was with you. No more worrying or constant doubts. Skies out here are always blue.
Thank you, honey, for leaving me. Thank you, honey, for closing the door. Oh, 'cause you set me free so heartlessly, and I'm happier than ever before. Yeah, this new life's not too bad on me. No more do I dream of you. I hope you're fine wherever you may be, and that you always stay there too. Thank you, honey, for leaving me. Thank you, honey, for closing the door. Oh, 'cause you set me free so heartlessly, and I'm happier than ever before. Thank you, honey, for leaving me. Thank you, honey, for closing the door. Oh, 'cause you set me free so heartlessly, and I'm happy there's something still there inside that freezing Arctic heart of yours.
If you'd only listen close to me, well then perhaps you'll see that we were on the same side in this war.
We simply lost what we were fighting.